Everyone, my name is Jiten Sharma. I am Assistant Professor in JCRC College in EC Department. In my video, I will explain how to verify the circuit of the multiplexer, which is of 4x1 multiplexer. Before this experiment, I will explain about the basic of the mux. This is a block diagram of the 4x1 mux, where I3, I2, I1, I0 are the input line, and S1, S0 are the select line, where this is the output. In the mux, we will get single output of multiple inputs. This is known as the mux. This is the truth table of this mux, and this is the final equation of the output and circuit diagram of mux. When select line S0 is 0 and S1 is 0, then output will be I0. Okay, output will be I0. It means 0 or 1, which input is assigned on I0. Next, when S1 is 0 and S0 is 1, then output will be I1. And next, when S1 is 1 and S0 is 0, then output will be I2. And when S1 is 1 and S0 is 1, then output will be I3. It means high or low. And this is the final equation of the output. This is represented by output of this mux. And this is the circuit diagram of this mux using this equation of output, where S1 and S0 are two select lines, and I0, I1, I3 and I2 are input lines. This is the AND gate and this is the OR gate, and these are for AND gate. 3 input AND gate. Now come on the experiment. Student, this is the trainer kit, digital trainer kit. This is a digital trainer kit. And I think you have watched experiment number 1, where you found basic of the breadboard, basic of the digital trainer kit, and all the ICs. And I think you all are very aware about the IC with their specific pin diagrams. In this experiment, we will use 3 input AND IC, which is 7411, and 1 AND IC. 2 AND IC 7411 and 1 OR and 1 NOT, which is 7404, and for OR we will use 7432. This is the circuit diagram. These two input represent the S1 and S0, and this is for I0, this is for I1, this is for I2, and this is for I3. When we will change the combination of S1, S0, this final output will change. Now, when this is 0, 0, it will represent the I0. When I0 is 0, it is 0, and when I0 is 1, it will be 1. Okay. Then same is the I1. When I1 is 0, for 7, for 0, I1 is 0 and S1 is 0 and S0 is 1. You will get the same output of I1. In the next, when S1 is 1 and S0 is 0, you will get the input of I2. This is 1, when 1 and this is 0, it means 0. When S0 and S1 both are high, means 1, then you will get the input of I3 on the output. This is 1, output is 1. When this is 0, output is 0. Okay, student, we have verified the mux truth table. That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.